Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Viber on your Android phone. Whether you want to send messages, make calls, or share media, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know. First, download and install the Viber app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and enter your phone number. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Just enter it to verify your account. After that, you'll see the main dashboard. At the bottom, you'll find different tabs for chats, calls, and contacts. To send a message, go to the Chats tab. Tap the new chat icon at the top right. Select a contact and type your message. You can also send stickers, images, videos, and voice notes by tapping the icons next to the message box. To make a voice or video call, go to the Calls tab. Select a contact and tap the phone or video icon. You can also start group chats and group calls by selecting multiple contacts. If you want to customize your Viber experience, tap on More at the bottom right, then select Settings. Here, you can update your profile picture, change your status, manage notifications, and set up chat backups to Google Drive to keep your messages safe. And that's it. Now you know the basics of using Viber on Android. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.